What's going on, YouTube? I'm out here at Cycle Gear in the middle of New York somewhere. Was invited by Vonnie B, and we're here at the track clinic.
The revolution will be live.
So YouTube, don't kill me for the music, but getting some good instruction here.
This is a point of grip. This is a point of grip. This is a point of grip. Your hand is a point of grip with your light. Not heavy on your hand. And most of your grip, your legs should be trembling because you're gripping the most of your legs. That's where you need to be. And then you want to open this leg out. I understand you want to be a third point. Because if I get into the middle of the bike, I gotta put the bike lower. That's less lead angle. Get on the gas. That tire's coming out. Come back to the middle of the bike. Now, say that your cane is a right, left, right. The transition in the feet. I'm here. I kept my foot, my balls on my feet here ready. Left knee is tight. Just a little bit, button off the seat. I don't like to drag. Just a little bit. You can drag. Some people say to drag. Personally, I like to just look up. It don't gotta be high. Why am I coming all the way up here? There's no room. So what? Just a little shuffle. Bang, bang. Just little quick little shuffles. That's something to kind of work on with you guys to get ready for the track. This here, my thing is if you get off the bike, you lean your body like the bike. Now, don't be wrong. If you in the belt and you just stay regular, maybe do your lower body just to feel that. But like if it's a nice sweeper with no cars coming, try that. Like if you see four-wheel take off and go, slow down a little bit, regain your composure, get off that seat a little bit before the turn, and then the upper body you can lay into the turn. So it's like this. So as I'm in, yes. Before you're down, get lower body always first. You always set your base. When you build a house, what do you build first? The roof, or you build the basement first? Exactly. So same thing with your basement. You got to set your basement up before you hit that turn successfully. So you hitting it, you going straight. That turn is coming up. You're getting a little nervous because you see that's a hard ass turn. Move that butt over. Or even if you start to get on the brakes and then move your butt over. I'm not gonna. That's ideally not what you want to do, but we're not at that level where we're even gonna notice that. You're still be good. But anything, get over, then get up in brakes, or get up on brakes, start over a little bit, and then fall in with the upper body into the turn. Yeah. Okay, you're what you call neutral throttle. So this is neutral, this is giving throttle, this is letting off throttle. So you want to be neutral throttle. No, because you know what happens when you let off the throttle, when your bike slows down, essentially. Say you have a top, like a wheel, okay, and I'm on a string, and I'm spinning the string, okay. The faster I spin it, what happens? It wants to go wider. It wants to kind of go out. The slower I go, it gets tighter. So when you let off the throttle, your turn is gonna get tighter, but it's a weird feeling because as you feel it start to get tighter, that's not really what you want. So sometimes you might want to enhance that a little bit with a little bit of braking power, or highway. You don't really want to do too much of this because there's a lot of sweeping. Just brake a little bit while you're most upright. Brake, ooh, let off, ooh. Come out of the turn a little bit, yes. And then when you see the bike and you start to stand it up, as you're standing it up, give it a little bit. Not hard, don't too much. Get a little, That's why at the track you hear them go. So they're letting off, brake, idle. That's idle. As they come out of the turn. You never want to be in the turn doing none of this. It's too much of this, you're gonna get the suspension doing this. Front's gonna slide on you, back is gonna kick on you and send you to the middle. And show you what the hell you need to be doing, and so you can feel it. It's one thing for me to show you and do it as pretty little shit, but until you put your butt on the seat and show, like, oh damn, my back kind of feels uncomfortable. That's when you know you need to be doing that. So wherever you feel uncomfortable, body position is not uncomfortable when you first get on the bike. And when you first get over it, that's just so awkward. Hold on, you want me to take my body at 80 miles an hour and get off the bike and then keep the bike up here? But actually, you get on the fucking floor. Fucking scrape the elbow. You know what I'm saying? You get on the floor. So, feel like you have to,
you can contact the three of us anytime. We're gonna be a lifetime resource for you guys. So, I don't know if you're interested. You can follow us on Instagram or however you want to get in touch with us. So Facebook, just to get in touch. If you need to message us, go ahead, or you can contact Al from Cycle Gear. He knows how to get in touch with us. Like, we're here for you guys. Does anybody have any questions?
Yeah, I got a quick question.
Yes.
If you take your own bike to the track, does it have to be registered?
No.
Nope. Just make sure it's functioning
As long as
properly.
it's good to go.
Yeah.
You just have to have it taped up and good to go.
No plates.
No.
Just take your license plate off just because you don't want it like
Nobody's
rattling.
asking any questions.
Okay. Just making sure.
You come with something that works, but nobody's asking any questions. Okay. So you're good. We'll see you next week.
Anyone else? Any other questions? I mean, we're here, but any other questions while we're here? I know you got a question.
I'm good.
Oh, I have no question.
I'm good.
So,
Body position.
That's
your ZX14?
Yeah.
An all-girls track.
Yeah, I've tracked that
July
bike.
22nd.
This is the fastest in the middle.
There's now a men's group
210.
also, so if any of you guys are interested in coming to the track, please feel free to join us.
Sir.
So July 22nd is our all-ladies track day, but we were nice enough to incorporate the guys for a session. So if you know that you would want to like do your first track day amongst some beautiful ladies, I mean, then you're welcome to come on the 22nd. I mean, we all share. Yay!
Motorcycle, these are not, this is just generic stuff, but there's basic stuff to go over with a strap. How not to strap.
I just want to say real quick, this is only right now for
Definitely some good info here.
There's not how you
Yes.
He's gonna go around
I'm
the
guilty
whole
of some of the
way.
mistakes back there too.
Alright, so first of all, you never want twists in your strap. So when you pull it through, pull it the whole length, run it through. Every twist of a strap or a chain weakens it by 50%. So have that, be aware of that when you're using these things.
now Sean, how do they know which way to load through? Because I know I used to always F that up.
Which way to load through?
Exactly. You always want to load outside in?
Yep, I always go from the back. This is the front of the strap where the handle is. The handle's facing me. Get that hole, the notch straight facing you. Like I said, run it so it's flat. And boom, you pull it through yourself. And by the way, I'm not securing it from this. I'm just putting the hook on there to keep it. So now, I always try to get it right over the top of the forks here. You have something to bite on. So I'm gonna run around there, make sure you got wires, you got cables. Never run it over a cable or a wire. So I throw it right through here. There's a little hole in here with my fingers coming through. Choke it through the hole. Now that can never come unhooked. And I'm using a cheesy U-Haul trailer, so this isn't ideal, but it works for us every time. A lot of trailers have different hook points and stuff. I'm gonna put the hook through here. Now what you want to do is, a lot of guys A lot of people, sorry, 2020. They'll just a couple clicks. That's not biting. You want what's called fabric lock. I'm gonna show you on this. No matter what, whenever you tie down a ratchet strap, you need that thing to spin a good 2 times so the fabric is wrapped around it, because the fabric biting into the fabric is what really makes it lock. If you just couple clicks, you know it's hard for everybody's safe. But if you have it where it's just biting through that can slip right out. And I also don't like using the handlebars because handlebars are adjustable. So you pull on something tight enough or long enough and you're hitting bumps, you know, you're driving through, especially anywhere in New York City. You do a mile through New York City, you're watching your bike go all over the place. Eventually stuff is gonna bend, and the further out you are, if I'm pushing on this, you know, if anybody knows anything about leverage, you put a pipe on something to bend it, the longer you are, the more likely it is to bend. So I don't like using the handlebars because you can move stuff like that.
So I use the triple tree, is that okay?
That's right, I go right down here, right around the tree.
Oh, so you do it at the bottom?
Yup, right here. This, as far as I'm concerned, it's the strongest part, and you don't really need, especially in the front, you don't need to go outwards with it. That's why I use the back for balance. I use the front for compression. I pull down, get it nice and snug. Use the back of the bike out to the sides. It keeps the bike from flopping side to side. So now you're pulling it forward and down in the front, and just holding it side to side and back. You don't gotta worry about going anywhere.
Okay,
I used to put the plastics on it too, so that's
we took the plastics off, so it was a little easy to see.
I always run into the top, like right here, and then down.
That works as well.
That,
I mean, you don't need to go up here. I like going to the bottom. It's just it interferes with
no,
plastic.
I'd rather go to the bottom.
Yeah,
I didn't even
if
think
you
to
can
do
get in
that.
here, because a lot of bikes have, you have a lot of plastic in the way.
Yeah.
So it's, with full plastics on it, it's hard to get access to it.
Okay.
But you don't need to be up top. In the middle is fine. Yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. Anybody have questions?
What's going on, YouTube? This is my guest, Vonnie B. Yes, so we just concluded the track seminar. I want to thank you for inviting me out here.
Of course, thank
So,
you for coming.
hey, it's my honor. So, what you riding, first of all?
I am riding a 2017 BMW S1000 RR. It has like 10,000 miles on it now. I got it brand new from
Okay.
Max BMW. Shout out to you guys. And yeah, here he is. Remember it says she. Here he is.
Oh, what you got the name?
His name's Daddy.
Daddy. You know what? Awesome. All right, so.
And Easy at 22 Motorworks fully customized him to make him a total unicorn for me.
Oh, very nice. All right, so what got you riding? Like, I mean, what was your inspiration?
My inspiration, everybody asks this question, was my mom.
Your mom?
My mom.
Okay.
My mom came home one day with a red Ninja 500.
Ninjas?
Right. Ninja 500, and she had me open from the day she pulled it off the trailer. I was like, why did you buy this? She's like, whatever.
Just guys?
Yeah,
all right.
it's here, and that got me hooked. I took the class with MSS.
Okay.
And here I am.
Okay, so how long have you been riding?
I've been riding 10 years now.
10 years? Oh, so we're like in the same
Yeah.
same route. All right, good stuff. How many track days? Because I think you got more than me now, and I've been going for a minute.
Now, I had to take, last year was a little heavy for me, so I have maybe like 6 now.
6?
No,
Okay.
Probably like 7 or 6 now.
Oh yeah, I think you got me by like 2 or 3.
Bye, my love. Yeah.
All right. That's all right.
Hey man.
Pleasure. Look forward to seeing you guys out there. All right.
Yeah, I have like 7.
Okay, so which is your favorite track?
Well, so far I've done New York Safety Track, which is upstate New York.
Yeah.
I've done Jersey, both sides of Jersey, Thunderbolt and Lightning. And then this Memorial Day weekend, I actually went to North Carolina and I did NC Bikes Track.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Yeah, I think I saw that on your Instagram.
So
Okay.
for technical, I love safety because it's smaller, it's way more technical to me. NC Bike was pretty dope because you could literally like balls to the wall because it's a flat track. There's like
no elevation.
at
Okay,
all.
got
You
it.
can just hit it and like wherever you try your best not to crash, but it's a little harder.
That's
It's
always
more
good
of a-
advice.
Yeah, it's more of a forgiving track than safety or Jersey.
Okay.
Jersey was nice.
Okay.
I like them all.
Okay.
I like safety though.
I will invite you guys out to Poconos Raceway.
Okay.
Yeah, that has north, south, and east. and you know we have some embankments where you could go like really fast. So I go with Team Promotion out there. I'm going on the 13th, but you know I'll have some videos, have you guys check it out.
Let me know. Give me the schedule.
No, we'll do.
Head out there.
Will do. So, I mean, for any new person, or I actually want to hone in on the females because my YouTube channel, it's more for beginners.
Of course.
And some of the info that I give out, hey, just an average everyday rider. But for females, a lot of times they can be intimidated with riding. And you, a couple other folks, you know, Jen out here. Just say. But yeah, like what advice could you give them to kind of encourage them and just to take the plunge if they're thinking about it?
Do it.
Okay.
Just do it. If I waited for somebody to show me, it would never get done.
Wow.
So I went and I signed up for the class on my own. Wow. So I started riding first. This is my friend Brittany, actually. Hi, Brittany.
Pleasure.
She rides too. And
Coming July 22nd.
yes, she is.
What's going on?
Thank you for coming. All right, thank you for coming.
I'm coming.
You coming? All right. That's what I'm talking.
Just get it, bro. Just get it.
But I just went and took the class. I was like, I want to learn how to do this. I don't want to wait for anybody. If I wait, it'll never get done. I just went and did it.
Yeah, complacency kills when it comes to this.
Absolutely.
So, awesome. Yeah. So, I mean, any businesses or, you know, I'm gonna give a shout out to Cycle Gear. I usually frequent the one in Edison, but you know, anybody that you want to give a shout out to and whatnot.
I'd love to shout out 22 Motorworks because they were here today. They certainly did the body position seminar. It was awesome information.
Excellent work.
Yes, excellent work. Thank you so much.
I learned something from that.
Yeah, so my brother definitely came through for us. I mean, I can always shout out my own businesses.
Absolutely. This is your time.
Needs, there's Timeless Pleasures. So those two businesses are my personal business. You can find those on my Instagram page, Vani_B. You know, always a shout out to my friends who ride with me, people who support me with everything that I do. My crew that I ride with, my Demon Time crew, they know who they are. And yeah, I mean, I shout out everybody. Everybody.
It's all love. It's all love.
I support everybody. So if you call me and I'm available and I'm not tied up with schoolwork or something, I'll gladly come out and support. Will do. Again, it was an honor to be invited out here today. Thank you so much for coming to that long drive.
Oh, hey, it was worth it. You know, I was like, man, I'm in that traffic. You'll see it on the rest of the video. But yeah, if you do these again, I definitely will come.
Definitely. So Eddie is having his track day. There's one next week on the 9th at New York Safety. He's having another one July 7th, which I'm definitely going to be at. Okay. And then of course I have my track day with Ruts to Race Lines, and that's going to be on July 22nd up at New York Safety track. Got it. Ladies, it's a women's focused day. It's ladies' day out. Yep. We're going to be outside and doing some fun stuff. Total beginner, if you just have a couple of days on the street and you still want to learn how to do the track, you're more than welcome to come. Guys, you can come too. We were a little nice about it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And so we decided to open up a men's session for the novice men's riders, because why not share the wealth, you know?
Indeed.
We have it all, you know, so we might share a little bit.
All right. Again, thank you very much. God bless. And make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. You check out my friend Vani, and we'll see you guys later.
Yes.
Peace.